everyone, this is Kathy Grosskirth with Bookkeeping Clean and Simple, and I wanted to share with you a quick tip on what I do when I get started with the bank reconciliation process. This is something I've started doing with current clients that I'm working with, especially with ones who are keeping track of their own data entry, and it's also a good tip to institute with files that you haven't worked with before. And it will also help in alleviating some of the headaches that may occur if you don't check for certain things. So let's go ahead and get started. We're in the Craig's Design and Landscaping Services sample file in QuickBooks Online, or QBO. So I'm going to go to the Accounting tab right here, and that's going to bring me to the Chart of Accounts page. For example, we're going to be working with the checking account. So what we're going to do is, from the checking account, we're going to go all the way over here, and you'll see that we have a drop down next to where it says to View Register. And instead of going into View Register, we want to run a report. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to run a report. And running a report will allow us to see more transactions at a glance. Now, our default settings, unless we've changed those internally, we'll usually go back 90 days ago. I actually want to change this to last month because that is going to match the dates on our bank statement. So from 10/1 to 10/31/2017, we're going to run that report. And once we do that, we can go back down here and look. And I want you to notice right off the bat the clear column, or the CLR column. As you notice, there's nothing in that column, no R's, which showing anything has been reconciled, or no C's, which means nothing from the banking side or the bank feeds have been matched or added into this register. So that is a big red flag that you want to be aware of before you start any reconciliation process. While you're in this filtered state, you may want to go ahead and scroll down, pull out your bank statement, and notice the last balance, or the ending balance in here of 1201, to see if that comes either to the penny or relatively close to what your statement balance is. And if it does, that means all you need to do is to go into your banking feeds and match and add any transactions that are not in there. But I want to do one step further since we're here. Just assume this is a brand new file, you haven't worked with it before, and you want to make sure that the bank reconciliations have been being done. So what you'll want to do is come all the way back up here, and I know that for some files it may be quite long to do, but I want to do an all dates filter. You can also filter using a custom field, but there's not that many transactions in this file to begin with. So I'm going to go ahead and do an all dates filter here. And once we do that, you'll notice something interesting. As far as this checking register goes, you'll see that the first item shows an R, showing that it's been reconciled. But if you'll notice that this was a deposit to establish the opening balance in QuickBooks Online. And so nothing else after that has been done, which to me shows that this entire account has never been reconciled for the most part. So we would need bank statements going all the way back, it looks like, to at least July and possibly June to make sure that this account is reconciled properly. So even before we do the reconciliation, we want to go to the bank feeds, and we want to go ahead and add or match those transactions that are in the bank feeds. Now, there is a separate tutorial on that, so I will not go over that here. So make sure you view that tutorial on working with bank feeds so that you'll understand how that process works. And that's all I have for right now. Thank you for viewing. Hopefully we'll see you soon. Visit my website at bookkeepingcleanandsimple.com. You can email me at kathy@bookkeepingcleanandsimple.com. And you can follow me on Twitter at Kathy Grosskirth. and visit and like my Facebook page, Bookkeeping Clean and Simple. Take care, everybody. Have a wonderful day.